Purvanchal just ahead of the polls. Back to you.
All right. Stay with us. More news now coming in. Aam Aadmi Party's Priyanka Kakkar has also spoken out on the BJP hitting back at Arvind Kejriwal for his remark on Purvanchal voters, stating that Arvind Kejriwal and Atishi had gone to the EC to complain about Parvesh Verma and how he was distributing money for votes and also setting up false scams, which clearly is a violation of the MCC and is sufficient to get him dismissed. BJP was rattled by this and started giving all sorts of vague statements against Kejriwal.
ये उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे। जब अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने ये उजागर किया दोबारा कि कैसे 15 दिसंबर से लेकर अब तक नई दिल्ली विधानसभा में जो एक छोटी सी कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी है जिसमें करीब 1 लाख इलेक्टर्स ही हैं, वहां पर सडनली 15 दिसंबर के बाद अराउंड 13,500 नाम एडिशन की एप्लीकेशंस आ गई एंड अराउंड 5,500 नाम डिलीशन की एप्लीकेशंस आ गई। और इसके बाद जब जिन लोगों ने ये एप्लीकेशन डाली उनसे जांच हुई तो उन्होंने मना कर दिया कि ये एप्लीकेशंस उन्होंने डाली नहीं है। तो इतने बड़े पैमाने पर ये जो हेर फेर होने की कोशिश हो रही है, ये जो भाजपा एक अनैतिक, अलोकतांत्रिक, इल्लीगल काम दोबारा करने की कोशिश कर रही थी, जिसको अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने पकड़ लिया। साथ ही वो ये भी कंप्लेन करने गए थे कि कैसे परवेश वर्मा बेशर्मी से काला धन भी बांट रहे हैं, परवेश वर्मा झूठे शिविर भी लगा रहे हैं, जो सीधे तौर पर वायलेशन है इलेक्शन कोड।
All right. BJP's Shehzad Poonawalla has also spoken out on Purvanchal Rao, stating insulting the people of Purvanchal has become the identity of the AAP and Arvind Kejriwal. Kejriwal, who makes voter IDs for Rohingyas, fails to recognize the people of Purvanchal. His statement yesterday that the people of UP and Bihar are fake and come to Delhi to cast their fake votes has hurt the sentiments of the people for Purvanchal, is what Shehzad has said.
उत्तर प्रदेश और बिहार के लोग फर्जी है, यहाँ पर आकर फर्जी वोट करते हैं। इससे हर एक पूर्वांचली समाज के व्यक्ति को गहरी चोट पहुंची और ये कोई इकलौता ऐसा बयान नहीं है, ये संयोग से नहीं, ये सोचा समझा प्रयोग है। इससे पहले इनके प्रत्याशी अवध ओझा ने बोला यूपी बिहार के लोग आलसी है। इससे पहले स्वयं केजरीवाल ने बोला है और वीडियो वायरल है कि ये बिहार के लोग 500-500 रुपए देकर 5 लाख का इलाज करके चले जाते हैं और दिल्ली की जो स्वास्थ्य व्यवस्था है उस पर ये बोझ है। बाहर से आए हुए लोगों को बार बार अपमानित करने का काम आम आदमी पार्टी ने किया है, ये कहकर कि ये भारी है, ये भारी है, इनकी वजह से सारी व्यवस्थाएं चौपट हो गई। उत्तर प्रदेश और बिहार के लोग।
Mehdi Garg is joining us for more on this story. Mehdi, Shehzad Poonawalla also now giving a big statement on the Purvanchal Rao. What has he said?
Well, indeed, ahead of the assembly polls, the statement of Arvind Kejriwal has created a war of words between the both parties, and now Shehzad Poonawalla has also commented and said that insulting the people of Purvanchal has become the identity of Aam Aadmi Party along with Arvind Kejriwal. And apart from that, also he targeted Arvind Kejriwal, saying that it is Arvind Kejriwal who makes the voters' IDs for Rohingyas and also fails to recognize the people of Purvanchal. And also, BJP is targeting the Aam Aadmi Party for supporting Bangladeshis and Rohingyas for their election purposes and, to have the fake voters in name of Rohingyas and Bangladeshis. This is the issue that BJP has put out in the later days also. And apart from that, talking about the statement that Arvind Kejriwal gave yesterday, on that BJP is in a targeting mode as of now. And today a march and a protest will also be happening where, the face of the Purvanchalis, MP Manoj Tiwari, will be protesting against the Aam Aadmi Party in front of Arvind Kejriwal's house. And also, talking about Shehzad Poonawalla's statement specifically, then yes, talking about Arvind Kejriwal's statement, then that he mentioned that the people of UP and Bihar are fake and come to Delhi to cast their fake voters has hurt the sentiments of people of Purvanchal. And also he said that this is not a mere coincidence but a clear thought of experiment that Kejriwal uses. And also, he pointed out Awadh Oja's statement in which the people of UP and Bihar are lazy, which was mentioned by Awadh Oja earlier. He also mentioned that. And even Arvind Kejriwal said that people of Purvanchal pay rupees 500 and get treatments worth rupees 5 lakhs, that they are burden on Delhi's healthcare. So all these, war of words have started, and the BJP leaders are taking out points from the statements of different political leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party and firing back on them. Yes, Uday.
All right, let's quickly now, in fact, take that to a quick break. Mehdi, we've run out of time. Let's be back on the other side with lots more news and analysis.